Essay on Plastic, a Threat to Humans. Introduction. Plastic is a material that is widely used in our daily life. We use plastic bags, bottles, cups, and many other items made of plastic. Plastic is light, cheap, and easy to carry. However, plastic has become a big threat to humans and nature. It does not break down easily and stays in the environment for many years. This topic is important because too much plastic harms our health and our planet. How plastic harms the environment? Plastic waste is seen everywhere. People throw plastic bags and bottles on roads, in fields, and into rivers. This makes places dirty and blocks rain. When plastic reaches rivers and seas, animals and birds may eat it by mistake. This can make them sick or even cause death. Plastic also breaks into small pieces called microplastics. These tiny pieces spread in water and soil. They are hard to remove and harm living beings. Burning plastic creates harmful smoke that pollutes the air. How plastic affects human health? Plastic can also harm human health. Many plastic items release harmful chemicals, especially when heated. For example, drinking hot tea in plastic cups or keeping hot food in plastic boxes can mix harmful substances with food. Microplastic can enter our body through water and food. This may cause health problems over time. Dirty plastic waste also spreads germs and causes diseases. Places filled with plastic waste become breeding grounds for mosquitoes and flies. How we can reduce plastic use? We can reduce plastic use by making small changes in daily life. We can carry cloth or paper bags instead of plastic bags. We can use steel or glass bottles instead of plastic bottles. We should avoid single-use plastic items like straws and cups. We can reuse plastic items when needed and recycle them properly. Schools and families can spread awareness about plastic pollution. Cleanup drivers and proper waste bins help keep surroundings clean. Choosing eco-friendly products protects nature. Conclusion. Plastic is useful, but too much plastic is a threat to humans and the environment. It harms animals, pollutes land and water, and affects human health. We should use plastic carefully and reduce waste. By using eco-friendly items and keeping our surroundings clean, we can protect our planet. Small steps taken by many people can create a big change and build a cleaner and safer future. Friends, if you found this essay helpful and informative, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you need an essay on any other topic, please let me know in the comments. And once again, don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you very much for watching the entire video.